Jimin, you little bean, stop running and come here. While running, Cookie isn't a little bean. Cookie is a big boy. Appa should catch Cookie. Jimin, certainly. Cookie, I said stop running and finish your breakfast. Cook, while running. No, Cookie won't eat that EU food. Jimin, that's not EU food. It's good for your health. Cook, Cookie already very strong. Cookie doesn't need any EU food. Jimin, are you listening to me or not? Cook, Cookie is a good boy. Cookie always listen to Appa, but Appa is forcing poor Cookie to eat EU food. Jimin, I swear, Cookie, if I catch you, then you will definitely get good beatings from me. Come here. Cook, Cookie isn't scared from Appa. Go and scare Dada. Only Dada is scared from Appa. Jimin, you just wait. He was running here and there and suddenly bumped with someone and fell on the floor. Jimin quickly catch him. Jimin pulled his ear. Caught you, you little bunny. Now where will you run? Cook angrily looked upward. Dada! Because of you, Appa caught Cookie. Yoongi, what did Dada do? Dada was only coming. How did Dada know Cookie and Appa are playing here? Dada is all innocent. Jimin, now drink it quickly. Cook pushed his hand. No, Cookie won't drink this. This is also EU. Jimin, Cookie, don't test my patience level and drink this quickly. It's not EU drink. It's mixed fruit juice. Cook, Appa caught Cookie with the help of Dada. It's cheating. Jimin, I think you want to get slapped, right? Raised his hand, but Yoongi quickly held him. Yoongi, Minnie, what are you doing? He is just a baby. How can you slap him? Jimin, he isn't a baby, Yoongi. He is becoming brat day by day. Cook, Cookie isn't a brat. Appa wants to beat poor Cookie without any reason. Jimin, see how he cut off my words? Looked at Cook. And you, young boy, what do you mean by without any reason? You are making run me behind you since a long time. Cook, Cookie didn't make Appa run. If Appa cooked tasty dishes for Cookie, then till now Cookie has eaten them. But no, Appa prepared EU food. Jimin, are you listening him? How his little tongue is getting longer day by day? I'm telling you, he needs good beatings. Yoongi, no need for this, baby. See how cute is a little bunny. No need to get angry. I will feed him his breakfast. You go and do your work. Jimin, frustrated. Because of you, he is becoming this much stubborn and spoiled. Yoongi, he isn't spoiled, my love. He is just a little bit naughty. Jimin, there is nothing to talk with you. You always take his side, like father, like son. You both are totally stubborn. I'm just fed up with you two. Angrily left from there. Yoongi shouts, it's not like this, baby, love, honey, Chakya, I'm sorry. Cook looked at him. Appa has already gone, Tata. Yoongi looked at him and sat on the couch and made him sit on his lap. See, what did you do? Cook, what? Cookie didn't do anything. How can an innocent and poor Cookie do? Yoongi, you made my love angry. Cook, and what about your love pulled my ear? Cookie's ear hurt a lot, but you only think about your love, not Cookie, said with big angry pout. Yoongi looked at him. Okay, Dada will rub Cookie's ear. He started rubbing his ear. Now finish your breakfast. Cook, it's EU food. Cookie won't eat this. Bring tasty food for Cookie. Yoongi, at night Dada will bring tasty snacks for Cookie. Cook, promise. Yoongi, Cookie promise. Now quickly finish your meal. Otherwise Appa will scold Dada too. Cook, Uff, Dada, you are so scared from Appa. Yoongi started feeding him his breakfast. I don't scare him. I love him. Cook, Cookie also love Appa, but Cookie never see it from Appa like Dada. Dada is a scary cat. Yoongi, baby, you don't understand this until you will get married or in love. You have to bend down in front of your partner. Cookie shush strong. Cookie will never bend down like Dada. Dada is weak. Yoongi, time will tell you this. Before your Appa's arrival, I'm also like this. Fearless and free bird, but now cut off. Jimin, but now you became coward. After marrying me, you have turned from a free bird into a caged bird, right? Yoongi shook his head vigorously. No, baby, you took me wrong. Jimin, oh really? I took you wrong. Here you are back bitching about your husband in front of your son, and you are saying I'm taking you wrong. Wow, Min Yoongi. Yoongi can't hard to see his scared face. No, baby, I was saying before your arrival in my life, I was like a free bird who has no direction. I was clueless, but you became my life's guide. Whatever I am is only because of your guidance. Cook started laughing by seeing Yoongi's scared expression. Jimin angrily looked at him and Yoongi quickly covered his mouth. Jimin, what happened to you, young man? Why are you laughing? Yoongi, ignore him, baby. He must have remembered any joke. Jimin, I know both of you very well. Looked at Cook. Have you finished your meal? Cook, yes, Cookie has finished everything. Showed him an empty bowl. See? Jimin, now hang your bag. Cook, is it important to go to school daily? Cookie doesn't wanna go. Cookie is feeling bored here. Jimin, if Cookie should focus on his studies, then Cookie will never bore. Cookie should make friends. Cook, but there are no good looking kids now. Jimin, you should try to make friends, not to find your life partner. You are exactly like your dada. Yoongi, now what did dada do? Dada is sitting here quietly. Jimin, that's your problem. You aren't doing anything. Yoongi quickly stood up. Tell me, what should I do? I'm ready to do anything. Let's go to our room. Immediately stood up. Jimin, head on his shoulder. Break on your unholy thoughts. I was saying you should encourage him to make friends. Yoongi, it's alright, baby. It's not necessary to make friends. Jimin, Yoongi, you can't do anything properly. Yoongi, if I can't do anything properly, then how would we get such a cute and adorable baby? He is the proof for that I'm perfect in my work. Jimin angrily glared at him and went to somewhere. Yoongi, why was he looking at me like this? Did I say anything wrong? Cook, Dada, you are gone now. Appa is looking super angry. Yoongi looked at him. Really? But why? Jimin came back with a glass of juice. Drink this. Yoongi took the glass. What is this, my love? Jimin, poison. Now finish it. Don't you dare to leave a single drop. Yoongi gulped in one go and started coughing. What was that? It was so bitter. Jimin, it was bitter gourd juice to pure your body and mind from unholy thoughts. Yoongi, now I want some sweet. Cook, no sweet for Dada, right Papa? Yoongi, wrong baby, Dada wants sweet and Dada will take it too. He quickly covered Cookie's eyes by one hand and by other hand he grabbed Jimin's tiny waist and pulled him in a which was totally messy and long. After a few minutes he broke and ran outside while picking Cookie in his arms. He didn't hesitate to face angry Jimin. Yoongi shouts, I'm sorry. Jimin shouts back, Min Yoongi, I will see you at night. Time skipped at night. Yoongi returned back from his work and found Cookie was sitting on the outside stairs. He smiled to see his cute angry pout and went to him. Yoongi, why are you sitting here? Cook looked at him. What else can be the reason other than your stubborn husband? Yoongi, now what did my husband do? Cook, your husband is torturing poor Cookie. He always tries to scare poor Cookie by his small eyes and small cute tiny hands. Cookie can't bear this anymore. Cookie can't live with your husband. Cookie wants his own husband now, said with cute angry pout. Yoongi sat beside him. OMG, this much anger. Anger doesn't suit on my Cookie's cute face. Cook, Tata should tell this to his husband who always make Cookie so frustrated. Yoongi, but first Cookie should tell what happened. After that, Dada can help Cookie. Cook, nothing big happened, Dada. Cookie only said, Appa, pack some strawberries for Cookie. Tomorrow Cookie will take them to school. Yoongi, but Cookie doesn't like strawberries. Cook, that was an old thing, Tata. Now Cookie loves strawberries a lot. Yoongi, oh, okay, then what happened? Cook, then your stupid husband denied on Cookie's face. Can you imagine this? Can't an innocent Cookie eat some strawberries? Is it too much to ask? Yoongi, this was so wrong. Of course, Cookie can eat strawberries. There is nothing wrong. That is good for health too. Cook looked at him. Right now come with Cookie and scold your husband. Stood up and started pulling his hand. Yoongi, Cookie, there is nothing to talk with Appa. Let's go to market and bring strawberries for you, okay? Cook, Utti. Time skipped after some times. They both silently entered inside the house without making any noise. They thought they will make Jimin fool. Yoongi whispered, Cookie, go to your room and hide these strawberries there. Don't make any noise. Cook whispered back, Utti Tata. About to go. Jimin, scary voice. Where do you think you are going? Cook, without looking at him. In Cookie's room to hide these strawberries. Yoongi face palmed himself. This little boy can't digest anything. Now I am also gone with him. Jimin, no need for this. Stepped on before I come there and made you stepped on by my ways. Cook quickly stepped down. No, Cookie's coming. Appa doesn't need to come to Cookie. Jimin snatched the box of strawberries from his hand. Take your position. Yoonkook quickly kneeled down and held his ears. Sorry. Jimin, you don't think any need to inform me before going outside? Do you know how much worried I was? Yoongi, I'm sorry. Jimin, Cookie is a kid, but you, Yoongi, I didn't expect this much carelessness from you. You're teaching him to hide things from his Appa and go without informing me. Cook, Appa, please don't scold Tata. Cookie wants strawberries. That's why they Tata took Cookie to market. Jimin looked at him. How many times should I teach you to not talk in between when two elders are talking? Yoongi, Jimin, please don't scold him. It was my idea to take him market. He didn't tell me to go market. Jimin, that's good. Whenever I scold him, you came in between to save him. And whenever I scold you, he came in between to save you. You both became headache for me. Where did you get these strawberries from? As far as I know, all the shops are closed. That's why I denied him to buy strawberries. Yoongi mumbled, I threatened the shop owner to open the shop by showing my... Jimin, what did you say? Speak loudly, Yoongi. Cook, Dada said Dada scared that shop uncle by showing Dada's. Jimin, mad. What? Seriously, Yoongi, you threatened a shop owner? Only this was left. You are teaching very good to him. Angrily left. Yoongi, I'm sorry, baby. Please forgive me. Ran behind Jimin. Cook, Appa took Cookie's strawberries too. Now what will Cookie give to Cookie's baby? Sat on the floor with big sad pout. Time skipped next day. It's Cookie's classroom where he did everything except studies. Right now he was talking with a boy. Let's go and listen their talks. Cook, Titi, marry with Cookie na. Cookie is strong. Cookie will protect Titi. Titi can't marry with Cookie. Cook, but Cookie can do anything for his Titi. Cookie's up and dada so strict. Titi should only study. Cook, then Titi can study after marrying with Cookie now. Cookie will never gonna tear Titi's book. Titi can study as much as Titi wants. Oh, Cookie, you're so sweet. You know Cookie's appa denied to bring strawberries for Titi, said with teary eyes. Cook quickly wiped his tears. No need to shout, Titi. Give him a box of strawberries. See, Cookie brought lots of strawberries for Titi. Titi started eating the strawberries. It's so tasty, Cookie. Titi loves it so much. Cook, if Titi will marry to Cookie, then Cookie will bring lots of strawberries for Titi. Titi's appa will beat Titi with his pink frying pan. Cook, Cookie will see who can touch Cookie's Titi. Cookie will take Titi to Cookie's home, kissed on his cheek. Cookie loves Titi. Charlie nodded his head. Titi also loves Cookie. With that, he held T's hand and started walking towards the school gate. But someone looked at them and stopped. Where are you two going? Cook looked at him. Principal, sir. Hopi, it's me. Where are you going? School hasn't over yet. Cook, Principal, sir. Cookie's taking Cookie's baby at Cookie's home. Cookie's baby is so sad now. Cookie will marry with baby. Hopi, shocked to hear him. What? Come to my cabin right now. Time skipped after some time. Hopi called both Cook's parents in his cabin to talk with them. Junmin were sitting in front of him. They were waiting for T's parents. Jimin, sir, what happened? Please tell us. Hopi, please wait for a few minutes. Let T's parents come. We are here, sir. Yoongi looked at him and got shocked. You here? Looked at Hopi. Sir, what is he doing here? Jimin, Yoongi, do you know him beforehand? Yoongi, he is my rival and very cheap man. Jimin, check out him. But he's looking very decent and intelligent too. Yoongi, don't go on his intelligent face. He is very cunning from inside. Hopi, please sit. First, let me introduce you all. They are Miss Jimin and Min Yoongi, Jungkook's parents, and they are Kim Shikojin and Kim Namjoon, T's Taeyang's parents. June, if I know his son is studying here, then I will never send my son in this school. Yoongi, it is still hasn't late. Take out your son from here. June, why would I take my son? Now my son will study here and top too. Yoongi, in your dreams. Hopi, silence please. What are you doing? I call you two here to solve your son's matter, but here you both are fighting like children. Jimin and Jin, we are really sorry on our husband's behalf, sir. Please tell us what happened. Hopi, they both were going out of the school. I stopped them. Jimin looked at Cook. Cookie, what's this? Where were you going? Cook, Cookie's going to marry with Cookie's baby. Everyone super shocked. What? Cook, yes, Cookie loves baby a lot. Cookie's baby is so sad. So Cookie will marry with Cookie's baby and make him happy. Jin angrily looked at T. Are you sad? T looked at him and slowly nodded his head. Yes, Titi is sad because Appa didn't let eat Titi strawberries. Cook kissed on his cheek. Don't be sad, baby. Cookie will bring lots of strawberries for Cookie's baby. June, fuming in anger. How dare you to kiss my son in that front of me? Yoongi, don't you dare to shout on my son. June, what can we expect from a mannerless person? Your son is just like you, mannerless. Yoongi, don't call my son mannerless. I am warning you, Kim Namjoon. June, what will you do, Min Yoongi? Your mannerless son tried to kidnap my innocent son and kissed him too. Yoongi, you are still a dumb June. Your son is going with my son by his will. It's not called kidnapping. Your son isn't an innocent. He seems happy too. And here we go. They both started verbal fighting like children. Tea was eating the strawberries and Cookie was busy in watching him. Hobie, Jin and Jimin are looking at Yunjun with certain face. Jimin, I thought only my husband is like this. Jin, no, you are wrong. Don't go on my husband's big body. Indeed, he has 148 IQ, but he never used that. I'm so fed up with him. Hobie, excuse me, do all the mafias are like this? Jimin looked at him. You mean dumb? Jin, and childish too. Hobie nodded his head vigorously. I heard mafias are very scary and dangerous. Jin, I also heard that, but after marrying with him, I got to know my one is dumb with 148 IQ. Jimin, and my one is more childish than kid. Hobie, so what should we do? I think we should solve the matter first. Jin, no need for this. He will be stopped when he gets tired. Jimin looked at Jin. I'm really sorry from my son's behalf. He's so naughty. Jin looked at him. No need for that. I know my son very well. He's so dramatic. Definitely he said something to Cookie. See how he eats his strawberries. He doesn't care about his surroundings. He can do anything for his strawberries. Jimin, just look at my son. How he is looking to your son. Jin, they both are looking so cute. I'm going to party. Why shouldn't you join me? Jimin, that's so sweet of you, but sorry, I can't come with you. I can't leave Cookie alone. Jin, why don't you leave him with your husband? Taking care of kids isn't only our responsibility. Jimin, actually you're right, but now first we should stop their fighting. Jin, they are so noisy. Jin and Jimin together. Silence! They both shouted together and Junjun immediately looked at them. Jimin, how do you know him? And I want only honest answer. Yoongi looked at him. Minnie, you don't know him. He is very cheap man. June, and you are very innocent, huh? Jin, June, what happened between you two? June, Ginny, baby, we were university best friend. I was topper and he was a sleepy cat. All the time, he was only sleeping. Yoongi, Minnie, you know what cheap thing he did? You can't even imagine. I still got goosebumps to remember that scary incident. It still haunts me. My heart still aches to remember that. Jin, scared. What did he do? Yoongi, he brought his useless books in exchange of my tangnies. Jin, Jim and Hobie, super shocked. What? Yoongi, yes, my heart started hurting. June, stop your overacting. I gave you money too. Those books were very important and very rare to find. At that time, I didn't have money, so I brought them with your tangnies. Jimin, so you both are rival because of this reason? Jin, Jimin, come, let's go to party. We shouldn't waste our time here. Jimin, yes, you are right. With that, they both left for party. Teacock were busy in their strawberries. Yunjun again started fighting. And Hobie was thinking, why did he call them here? He was questioning about his whole existence. The small misunderstandings which aren't addressed timely can take a deadly form in the future and leave regret behind it. The end. Author's note, that's it for today. Hope you all like it. This was the requested storyline for one shot. I added 2 ideas in this and made this story. I hope you all enjoyed it. Never ignore simple misunderstanding. It can turn deadly in future if it couldn't get solved timely. Here it was cute one, but not all the misunderstandings ended up in cute way. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.